Let's take a look now at the Exponential Functions Study Guide. So if we take a look at it, it begins with our learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions that we're going to have to answer. So the first one says, simplify the exponential expression 3 to the 4th power. Now we're going to go ahead and answer this. So 3 to the 4th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. And then 3 times 3 is also 9. If we multiply those together, we get 81. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight 81. And I'm going to go to the highlighter here. And I want to highlight it and make it yellow. Now you can choose any color you want as long as it shows up brightly. So don't do any light colors. Do something that's bright. So that's our first one. The next one says 4 to the negative 3rd power. So that's 1 over, right? Because we're going to flip it because it's negative. So it's 1 over 4 times 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 is 64. So it'll be 1 over 64. So again, I'm going to highlight that. Make it yellow. And there's my answer. And I'm going to continue to answer just like that all of these questions until I get to the end. Once I get to the end, I can now go back to my answer key that was attached with this. And you can check your work. So the first one we said was 81. Well, we can see that's the correct answer. The second one was 1 over 64, which we can also see is the correct answer. So you can check your work using this answer key. Now to keep you on track, I've also included a schedule that tells you when you should be able to complete each of these parts. We can take a look and see that on September 9th, you should be able to complete the part on exponential properties, which is questions 1 through 6. By September 13th, you should be able to complete exponential functions, which is questions 7 through 12. And by the 14th of September, you should be able to complete exponential growth and decay, which is questions 13 through 15.